Go.
Hi, so I just wanted to showcase this beautiful amaranth plant that we have here. This is it's called a red amaranth, even though it's not, this one isn't actually that red, but you can see a little bit of red on the leaves.
Sometimes it's more red than others.
Right, and there's a little bit of red on the stems. But what's wonderful about this is that it produces these humongous leaves. Now these
look at these. These are bigger than my hand. Almost.
Yeah, on the outside. Now, and these are what I collect, and this is like, I just collected some other plants. Now, these are kind of old because I left it for so long, but one could have pricked them when they were younger, and they would have been fresh. But I still find them a more delicate, yummier green.
When they're cooked, they taste a bit like sautéed spinach.
I think I like it more than regular spinach.
Yeah. I personally do too.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to grow too.
Unfortunately, I don't have this for
Just needs
sale.
sun.
I might, if I collect the seeds later on, I might have some seeds for sale.
Yeah, it reseeds pretty well. That is true.
Yeah, the hard part is getting it at the very beginning when it first gets the very baby. Yeah. But once you get it established, it's a pretty sturdy plant. Like, it does really, really well. And I don't know if you can take a peek.
All right.
On here. So
it's mixed in with some celosia as well,
right.
which has a pretty
The
purple flower.
are very tender. They wilt at the first little bit of drought.
Yeah.
But then these other ones, I mean, they just did so much better. And the seeds are nutritious, and the flower is, well, there's no really flower, but
flower.
It is technically edible.
Kind of.
Everything on the plant is.
The seeds are edible.
Yeah.
They haven't seeded yet. The celosia seeds are a lot more
fun to
findable.
play with.
Findable,
and it's a prettier flower. This hasn't flowered yet.
Both of them are edible, though. You can eat the leaves of both of them. So.
Well, this one...
I actually like the celosia, too, but yeah.
I haven't actually found evidence of it being edible, but we do eat it. But you should do your own research before you decide whether something's edible. This is often sold as an edible plant. That's the reason why I'm tooting it. But mostly, I just want to showcase how beautiful those big leaves can be.
Yeah.
And it just really is incredible. And just look at in this one pot right here. This is a nice big pot, but we have a baby moringa growing. We have sweet potato, 2 varieties of sweet potato growing, and we'll have more stuff later
Tomatoes.
on. But it's really amazing in one little area what you can grow to eat. And the sweet potato greens are supposedly edible. I don't know if these sweet potato greens are edible.
Those are edible too. All sweet potato greens are edible.
Yeah.
They're just different varieties probably taste better.
And look, there's even a baby little mini cherry tomato in there. So you can grow all kinds of neat things in just one little spot. That's all you need. So if anybody is willing to rent out a little space in our spaces, let us know. If you live in Houston, we'll provide a little space that you can rent out your own little pot, or come and harvest in our yard, in a little urban yard in the middle of a city. And it's amazing what you can grow inside a city.
Yep.
Yum, beautiful.
And as always, thanks for watching. Remember to just breathe.
Right next to a power plant.